Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change the horn in your car. Replacing your car's horn can be a straightforward upgrade, offering a new sound or restoring functionality. We'll cover everything from choosing the right horn to the installation process. You'll learn about the common tools required and important safety steps to ensure a smooth and successful project. Let's get started on giving your vehicle a fresh voice. When selecting a new car horn, you have several options, including disc, trumpet, and air horns, each offering a distinct sound. Consider the decibel level. Most factory horns are around 110 to 115 dB. It's crucial to match the new horn's voltage, typically 12 volts, with your vehicle's electrical system. Also, think about the physical size and mounting options to ensure a proper fit in your car's designated space. The installation process begins with a critical safety step, disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal. Next, locate your existing horn, which is often found behind the front grille, bumper, or wheel well. Carefully remove the old horn by unbolting it and disconnecting its wiring. Mount your new horn securely in the same location or a suitable alternative, ensuring all electrical connections are firm. Finally, reconnect the battery and test your new horn. If your new horn isn't working, first double-check all electrical connections for tightness and proper polarity. Next, inspect the horn fuse in your car's fuse box. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Ensure the horn has a good ground connection, as this is vital for its operation. For more complex setups, like multi-tone air horns, or if you're unsure, consulting a professional mechanic can save time and prevent potential electrical problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.